Welcome back to the Voice News. I am Palak with you. CAIT requests CM Kejriwal to relax lockdown. Demand for the market opening from June 1st. CAIT General Secretary has requested CM Arvind Kejriwal to open the market from June 1st by relaxing the lockdown. To overcome the economic crisis of the traders, the Secretary General has demanded the outbreak of the second wave of COVID virus has been the worst for the people of Delhi, due to which there has been a lockdown in Delhi for the last 1 month. But now the Confederation of the All India Traders on the Wednesday called and Chief Minister of Arvind Kejriwal in the national capital has urged to open shops and markets since June. According to CAIT, traders will follow all the COVID protocols. At the same time, the Secretary of CAIT said that markets in Delhi have been more closed for the more than 1 month, due to which traders are going through economic crisis. That is why the General Secretary has demanded to open markets and shops in Delhi from May 31 or June 1st. Actually, there are mainly two types of markets in Delhi. One is wholesale and other is the retail market. And their business is, it is proposed the meeting that the wholesale market in Delhi should be allowed to open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and the retail market should be allowed to open from 12 noon to 7 p.m. Vendors got permission to set up shop. The General Secretary of the CAIT said that vendors on the road should also be allowed to make their living everyday rules as per the COVID rules. And unless a policy is formulated, they should be allowed to run their business outside the vacant government school. Demand to run the metro. Apart from the opening market, the General Secretary has also demanded that the metro services will be also run on the time, so that the businessmen and their employees could not face any problem in traveling. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.